Welcome back to this video, and to this tutorial I'm going to show you how to permanently delete files, video or audio or JPEG on Windows laptop. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about Windows PC. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so for you to delete whether video or JPEG or file or document permanently on your Windows PC, it's just a simple step. What you need to do is let's for instance we want to delete this video right here. So I'm going to press Ctrl key and select the second video. Then for me to delete them permanently, I just need to press Shift key and delete key on my keyboard at the same time. So this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on yes right here, and it has permanently deleted. And for you to be sure that the files has been completely deleted from your Windows PC, I'm going to minimize this. Then I will head over to my recycle bin right here. Let's open the recycle bin. So right here on my recycle bin, there was no file related to that. By the time I refresh again, there was no file related to that. So let's quickly go back to the document right here. So I want to delete some of the PDF file and JPEG all together at the same time. So I'm going to select the PDF first. I'll press Ctrl key down, and I'm going to select the first JPEG, second JPEG, and third JPEG. Then I'll press Shift key and delete key on my keyboard. Then this is going to pump up. Then I'll click on yes. So let's go back to my recycle bin. So by the time I refresh my recycle bin, refresh, then no file is going to be found right here. So basically, this is how to permanently delete files or documents or JPEG or PNG or whatsoever permanently on your Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.